February 4th, 2024, which was yesterday, we had high wind warning. Do you think they stopped working in the high wind warning? Do you think they covered any of this toxic debris that's supposed to be brought and contained? We were only able to show you videos of the dust blowing off the dump site because it was too windy for us to fly, yet they continued to bring trash in. And if you look at this photo here, you can see real clearly that these are pieces of burrito that have blown into the lower pond here. You can see it all over the place, and these are not small pieces. But if this much material has blown around site and you can see it all over the place, the white parts of burritos, the black parts of burritos, imagine the amount of dust that was blowing out of this straight downhill right into the ocean below it here. You can see how they're putting it in the most vulnerable spot, open to the air, and this is what's actually happening. Where's their wind protocol? What's going to protect us from this toxic material in a big open pit? How is this more contained than Lahaina is? I fail to understand that, and I think we need some monitoring on a major level for people to hold these guys accountable, because this is just absolutely terrible.